Hi guys, my name is Monchero Kemo. I talk matters health. Today we are talking about the benefits of tummy tuck. 1. Improved appearance. Some people, due to pregnancy or weight loss or aging, they find that their tummy is too bulky, and so they are uncomfortable about their appearance. So when you go in for a tummy tuck, the surgeon will perform his or her magic, and you will have a flatter tummy. This will improve your appearance. Number 2, you will have a wide variety of clothes. You can be able to change into this one cloth or the other because now your shape has improved. 3, motivation. Some people, due to lack of self-esteem, they feel that they are demotivated. They don't even want to come out. They try this outfit, they try another, they feel like, the world is not with them. But once you've had a tummy tuck, this can be able to improve your self-esteem and even motivation in life. Now, the other one is improved posture. Remember, our tummy is the one that supports the spine. So once you have firmer abdominal muscles, then you will be able to have a better posture, enhanced body proportions. You can imagine maybe you've had triplets or quadruplets, and this stretch your tummy so much. But when you go in for a tummy tuck, the area that had been stretched will be excised, and you will have better proportions, so that even when you are putting on your clothes, or even when you are looking at yourself in the mirror, you will indeed find that you are proportionate. Elevation of skin irritation. If you are having many folds of skin, sometimes it traps sweat, and this trapped sweat can cause skin irritation. So once a tummy tuck is done and this excessive skin is removed, there is nowhere else where the sweat is going to hide. So making it better, making you feel better because there is no skin irritation. Tightened abdominal muscles that I have talked about, and again about stretch marks. Due to childbirth, sometimes, or weight gain and weight loss, this can cause stretch marks, and especially if they are in the midsection and the lower abdomen, these stretch marks can be excised or they can be removed. The stretch marks I'm talking about are the ones in the mid-abdomen and not everywhere. So remember, it's important for you to go in with a managed expectation, not to expect even the ones which are in the thighs or elsewhere. It is only those ones which are in the abdomen. They are the ones that will be removed because they will be excised together with the skin. Long-term results. If you maintain a healthy lifestyle, that is maintaining your weight, doing the exercises, you will realize that there are going to be long-term results. But also remember that even after a good tummy tuck, if your nutrition is not well taken care of, if your weight is not taken care of, still the gains that had been gotten with the surgery will again be undone. Therefore, ensure that you have good mental health, good exercises, eat well, avoid smoking, so that you maintain your good health. Thank you. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment in the comment section below. See you again in the next one.